I usually don't film here, like anywhere, you know, as far as where personal spaces go, but I'm like, it's such a beautiful day. It's warming up here. It's like 60 something degrees, which here in Jersey on the East Coast, it's like been freezing. So I was like, it is such a gorgeous day. Filming on an overcast is probably the best time you could actually film. And check this out. This is a bar, and this is my dog Bella. Come here, Bella. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is my awesome dog Bella. She's like, hello, baby. Give me a kiss. Good girl. She's half human, half dog. Right, Bella? Right? Yes. She's an Australian Shepherd, and she literally is amazing. Give me a hug. 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 Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Bella. Yes. All right. Awesome. So, this is, I did some work on this, had this completely redone, but it's a 6-seater bar. And my backyard is pretty awesome. Put a lot of work into it when I moved here, but enough about that. Today's video, I want to talk about what to do when you actually get a bad haircut. And the amount of messages I get from people saying, you know, salon guy, I got a bad haircut. What do I do? And I don't know what to say. And I guess this video is more about communication. You know, what to say to your barber, what to say to your hairstylist. I've done lots of videos, excuse me, on this topic, but I want to keep resonating with you all that there's a few things. Don't be afraid to communicate with your professional simply because you are paying them a service. Imagine going to a restaurant and paying for your meal and getting the wrong meal. Let's just say you ordered steak and you got chicken instead. Or you ordered fish, but you got something completely differently instead. You'd be like, what the heck? This makes no sense. Well, that's what it comes down to with your haircut. You have every right to actually communicate, and they need to deliver what you're paying for. That's really what it comes down to. So, in my opinion, don't be afraid to communicate and voice your opinions. And this goes right from the very start. Ask questions. What do you think looks good on me? You know, what do you think my face shape is? What's the best haircut for me? I'm looking to change things up. What do you think? A lot of times, and this is the biggest difference between, you know, hairstylists and barbers. I'm not a barber. I'm a hairstylist. And a lot of times I've witnessed this where the client, if you're going to a barber shop, you know, hey, what's up? All right, what are we doing? Yeah, little skin tight fade. Yeah, edge up. Yeah. All right, good. And that's it. That's the whole consultation. Me, I would spend like 10 minutes just consulting before I even got the client's hair washed, to be honest with you. So you need to communicate and you need to get them talking. My best advice is if you are going to someone who simply does not communicate, they don't know what to say to you, and you're tired of getting bad haircuts, well, maybe it's time that you found somebody new. It's time to move on. It's time to start seeing other people in the shop or find another place on Google and look up the reviews that's near you. And I really would love to hear from you all in the comments below. Let's get as many comments as possible. What are you doing? Right? Are you leaving, or have you left your professional, whether it's a barber or a stylist? Have you ever communicated to them and it's actually worked? Or you've tried communicating with them and they're so thick-headed that they can't even comprehend or get the style right? Like, let me know either way, because I'd love for people who could use some assistance to see your comments, what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So like, if you're looking to go someplace new, and I've done videos on this, go on Google, see what's near you. Now, if you go home and you have a service that is not right, you don't like it, there's something wrong with it, you have every right to call back the salon or the barbershop and say, look, I just had a haircut with so-and-so, it looks awful, they completely botched up my hair, and, you know, Bella! Sorry, my dog is doing something. And so they completely destroyed my hair. I want my money back, or I want it fixed. Chances are they'll try to have you come back to the person who screwed it up. You know, if they take you back, and they'll do it, you know, for no cost, but they're going to defend, oh, I didn't mess it up, blah, blah. Or they're cool. You go in and, hey, man, just fix this one area up. But if you're getting, like, crime scenes, I've described this before, if you're getting like a crime scene on your head where you just get massacred, sometimes, you know, just call, say, I just want a refund. I don't want to come back there. The owner may say, come in, I want to see it. It all really depends. But there's a strong chance that the owner may, you know, try to stick up for his, you know, professional, his barber or stylist, and it may say, look, come in, I want to take a look at it. And if he can see, or she can see that, yes, this is destroyed, then you have a case. So it really, really depends. But, you know, I guess what it comes down to is make sure you're communicating, find the right person for you. And I know some people tell me, oh, Salon Guy, it's very limited where I am. You know, like, I can't find anyone near me. I live in the middle of the woods somewhere. Like, well, I mean, don't live in the middle of the woods. You know, I don't know. There's a lot of other things that aren't around. You know, like, I've driven places, I'm like, there's not anything in sight for like 6 miles. So, I think what you need to do is just really focus in on what's going to work best for you. Please, again, let me know in the comments below on what's worked for you, you know, what hasn't worked for you. This way we can all share the same experiences and learn. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.